Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you can pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is spot fake accounts on LinkedIn with their new security feature. And back in August of this year, so 2022, just a few months ago, as of the publishing of this video, I talked about protecting yourself on LinkedIn, and I called it the ultimate phishing tool, right? And I'm not the only one that knew that, right? You guys knew it. Other organizations knew it. LinkedIn knew it. And CNN talked about it. NPR talked about it. And I'll leave links to these articles that I'm showing here in the description in case you want to check it out. But everybody knew, right, that LinkedIn has fake profiles. And so LinkedIn really rolled out three new features. The first one is they are going to use AI or artificial intelligence to remove AI generated images. And so those fraudsters that are hiding behind AI generated images won't be able to do that anymore. The next thing is the second one is something you might have seen already if you check your profile or someone else's profile. So if you look at your profile, you can go under more and then go about this profile. That's the new thing. Or if you're on someone else's profile, you probably need to hit the three ellipses and you'll get the about this profile. But what you'll get is the information on the vendor or on vendor, I'm always thinking vendors, information on that connection or that profile. And so using mine as an example, it shows I joined in 2008. And so if you have a profile of someone that is supposed to be, maybe someone else, they're trying to impersonate that person, or has a long history, yet they joined in 2022, right? That's a hint and a half. And what I've read that LinkedIn is kind of banking on is that no fraudster will spend the time that it takes to earn this type of credibility with length of time. Also, there is verified information. I don't know why only my phone number is verified. I don't know why my email is not verified, but now it shows what information is verified. Now it also shows that my contact information was updated less than 3 months ago, but what if I don't have a change in my contact information? I don't know if that's going to matter or not to other folks. Maybe, if my contact information doesn't change in a year or two, I mean, I hate moving, or 10 years, right? Don't know if that'll be a red flag, but LinkedIn will now show it. And it'll also show the profile photo was updated over a year ago. That probably means I need to have some more photo shoots, but we'll get to that when I have some time. But in any event, you can do this with any profile that you think might be fake and see if you can tell. So I think that's a good feature that LinkedIn has rolled out. The last one, the third one, is they will now identify, put some verbiage in there. They'll display a warning if you are in a chat and the participant or the other person requests that you take that conversation off LinkedIn. So now LinkedIn will issue a warning. Now, the image credit for this one is Bleeping Computer, and that's where I got all this information from. So I will also put a link to that article in the description as well. So maybe it'll be some good things. And hopefully this is just the beginning. They'll do more to keep fake profiles off of LinkedIn, and maybe some of the other social media platforms will follow suit. All right, so if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.